Hey guys, got a 2022 plate BMW 4 Series here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the centre screen in the dash. We're going to use these controls down here in the centre console. Now from here, we're going to press the home button. Will bring us to this screen. Then you want to scroll down to car, click in the dial, then go to vehicle status, then tyre pressure monitor. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to click on tyre settings, then come down to perform reset, click in the button. And now all you do is drive around for about 1 mile or about 5 minutes, and then it'll reset it for you.